It should be remembered that the majority of toys are made by reputable companies that go to great lengths to ensure they are safe and legal. There are steps you can take to make sure you are selecting these safe toys. I would suggest looking at 4 things: who you are buying from, what price you are paying, how the toy is labelled, and what the actual toy is like. The majority of toys purchased from high street retailers are of good quality, and reputable stores go to great lengths to ensure toys are safe. At the other end of the scale, you are taking more risks when buying from a market or car boot sale. If buying from an online marketplace, a branded toy purchased directly from the brand is the lowest risk. The same branded toy purchased from an unknown seller may be fine, but it could be a counterfeit item, particularly if it was much cheaper. In our experience, the highest risk toys are purchased from third-party sellers who are often supplying them directly from outside Europe. These toys have been found to be low quality, non-conformant with legislation, counterfeit, or just dangerous for children to play with. The cost of the toy is also an important consideration. Always be careful when taking advantage of a good price and match the price to the seller to see if you're still comfortable to buy the toy. There are many legally required warnings and labels applied to toys, and their absence can indicate a problem with the toy. Look for the CE mark, a UK or European address, relevant warnings and age grades as required. In some cases you will also find a line mark which is used by the British Toy and Hobby Association members. Finally, look at the actual toy. Is it well made? Is the finish on surfaces good? Or does it look untidy or poorly finished? I would suggest you unpack the toy with your child and check it yourself. If you have any doubts, consider returning the toy or contacting the seller. Don't forget, there are many safe and excellent toys for sale in the UK, and BTHA members work hard to provide them. Further tips can be found on the BTHA website, but don't forget to think about the location of purchase, the seller, the cost, the product labelling, and the toy inspection, all of which will help keep your child safe.